Here I have LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly you should remove a case from this device, then you should remove back cover, so you can hatch it right here, kinda like that. So then it goes off relatively smoothly. Then you should remove battery like this. So here you have slots. Let's start with SD card. So you put it that side, like on this icon here, at the lowest slot there is. And then SIM card you put like this, like it's shown on the image, to the highest slot. Let's get it. And you put battery back in, cover back on, and turn on your device. And that's it. So basically, to prove you that SD SIM is detected, here you have like the notification, SIM card changed, and there's also notification indicating that damaged SD card, which proves that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.